give me 2 or 3 tips or ideas our viewers can follow or implement in a way if they want to add a touch of premium or chic character to their house?
So, sense of space is very important. I walked you through that corridor, which when we opened those corner glass doors, it just ceased to be a corridor. It became an entry lounge. So your space plan is key. It's king. You know, लोगों को लगता है कि बच्चे बड़े होंगे ही नहीं.
हाँ.
You know, but your homes have to be future ready. So while your kids might be young when you start thinking of making home, but as they go along and you know every घर 20-25 साल तक तो you know you have to use it.
Were there any key asks from the homeowners and how did you translate them into the design language?
You know, one basic thing they really said was खिलौना नहीं होना चाहिए घर. You know, this is not a show apartment. This is an everyday home for an everyday family.
Hello everyone, you're watching Home Along on Mint. I'm Kavita Ralhan and today we are at one of India's most prestigious and exclusive address, DLF Camellias. Because you have shown so much love to our past episodes, we thought of doing something extra special for you this time. So for the first time, we will be doing the home tour with the architect who has designed this beautiful home. From big ideas to the smallest detail, you will see how thoughtfully designed choices can actually transform any space into a luxurious haven. So if you're looking for ideas on interiors or home decors or creative ways to add elegance to your home, this is the episode for you. What are we waiting for? Let's begin.
Oh,
Hi. Hi, Monica.
How are you? Been waiting for you.
Nice.
Such amazing coffee. I know you love coffee. बना के रखिए. आ जाओ.
Thank you. And oh my God, look at this massive, beautiful chandelier. So is this custom made or?
Yeah, we had painstakingly gotten this made with workers working on this for more than 4 months.
4 months.
You know, from picking that right midnight blue glass to making it this sample, because though it was something out of a catalog, I wanted it to fit entirely into this niche. So the space has been carved out for this beautiful large chandelier. Of course, छत पे तो टांग नहीं सकते.
Why? I'm sure it's possible to
हाँ, छत पे नहीं टांगने को मिल रहा था तो मुझे लगा एक chandelier की अपनी entrance पे तो vibe बनती है.
And they say first impression is the last impression, and I think this gives a mega impression once you
And once I show you around, since this is so gorgeous,
Yeah.
I did not want to hide it, you know. So आपको entrance से दिखेगा, of course, but then you want to see it from all the other 3 sides, and I'm gonna show you how we get to see that. I love the feeling of, you know, it's so surreal for me to remember कैसे sketch किया था ये घर, कैसे space plan बना था, what all we decided, how we picked up. It's just beautiful, you know, to be here with you and showing this around to you. Acha, I'll just show you.
Where are we heading to?
So this is now our casual family lounge. And you know, एक और चीज था इसका. जैसे ही आप अंदर घुसते हो,
Right.
and you have this open, you can see the golf course straight away upon entry from your main door.
Right.
So this is a very comfortable media lounge. You know, Sumit loves this size of the TV. Come, acha, please come. And we thought, have a tone-on-tone wall and kind of make the TV look very invisible. I hate it when the media or the wires or anything functional is being seen, right? So, काम करे सारी चीजें दिखे नहीं ज़्यादा.
Tell me, Camellias is the most talked about residential project when it comes to real estate. So when you first came here, you saw the space and it's given like a blank canvas.
Yes,
right?
absolutely, all black.
What was the first thought, first vision you had of this space?
See, pehle to we, the Sumit and Shikha, they were like 5 bedrooms kar dein. I was like, bilkul bhi nahi. So even though this is one of the larger sizes at the Camellias on a beautiful 34th floor, we just convinced them that for 363 days, literally, they only need 4 bedrooms. So when we started with the space plan, of course, it's beautiful that the whole thing was, a plain slate and we started greenfield. We just kept putting in their lifestyle into mind. सुबह क्या करते हैं, शाम को क्या करते हैं, कितनी पार्टी करते हैं, बहुत पार्टी करते हैं.
So as an architect, you have to study everything. You have to study the client's lifestyle also.
I say architects are an extended family to the clients. So when we talk to our clients and start putting pen to paper,
Yeah.
we're literally becoming them. We're role playing how they would use this property, and not just the owners, but also their service providers. कितनी बार caterer आएंगे, कितना house help है, कोई elderlies है कि नहीं. Like this is a beautiful dadi's room. I'll show you later. So उनका attendant है, nannies हैं छोटे बच्चों के लिए.
Every small detail has
Everything
to
we have to think like the user. So मैं कभी बोलती हूँ कि हम तो therapy session करते हैं more than taking a brief. So
Therapy
that
sessions.
happens. Yeah.
But this space, it feels very serene. So what do you
Thank you.
think? What's the key reason of feeling that calm, that sense of calmness?
Everything starts with a very restrained hand when it comes to material selections.
Restrained hands, you said.
Yes. So it's like, Coco Chanel नहीं बोलती कि जब तुम तैयार होके घर से बाहर निकलते हो, just look at yourself in the mirror and try and remove 1 or 2 pieces of jewelry. Then you are really ready.
So you're saying that even in interior designing, less is more?
Absolutely. Cohesiveness is the key. When you leave this apartment, you will not take away the memory of, oh, मैंने वो चीज वहाँ देखी थी. Yeah,
Any
that
one
material.
particular art item or something?
Nothing. You won't remember anything.
Yeah.
But you'll just remember that emotion of feeling beautiful here. You'll feel the emotion of, having functionality at its best taken care of. Yeah, of course. Yeah, like you're appreciating all the bed linen and all the cushions and all the made goods and everything. So our job starts with a sketch and we take you to, the end mile, like how is food going to get presented? Even the fragrance. Can you feel this beautiful fragrance in this house?
And what is it because? Is it because of some particular...
So we
scent
have
or-
a signature Essentia fragrance. So if you do walk into any of our homes, by the way, this is one of the 51 apartments at Camellias that Essentia has done.
Oh.
And you will feel that same fragrance,
And what is the design philosophy that you follow?
Personally, I am a huge minimalist. मुझे जितना कम चीज हो उतना अच्छा. But sometimes, design is not always going to be about मुझे सिर्फ अकेले क्या अच्छा लगता है. So when we partner with the clients, it's about हम सबको इकट्ठे क्या अच्छा लगता है.
Sabko means all the family
Client
members.
and मुझे.
Okay.
मैं भी important.
Right.
That's very important. So, come, I'll take you to, let's say you had the whole crew coming in with you, then I would have taken you to a larger space. I love...
This is vineyard, Fornica? These walls?
This is, yes, this is a tobacco burl vineyard. You see all the, knots of a real tree.
Tree, yeah.
Yeah, and these are then made in the factory and then brought to the site and click, 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 and your site is pretty much ready almost instantly in less than 120
And
days.
very easy to maintain?
Oh yes, absolutely, wipes and clean. In fact, the surface does not catch any dust. See?
Yeah.
See? There
No
is no
fingerprints.
nothing. So it's an anti-fingerprint, anti-dust finish. So of course, I love the CNC gone into this tobacco stone.
This is a stone, right?
Yes, this is a stone, all matte and dull. And of course, this is the same veneer as you see all over. Just one style of veneer being used everywhere.
Now we are going
So
to the...
we are now taking you into our formal lounge.
All right. we talk about Indian families and
Yes.
especially families with kids, we can never think of this beige or white color for sofas. It's quite bold.
So it's a beautiful coating that we do. First of all, the fabrics are of course high performance. In fact, I'd love to spill a coffee here and show you. And this
For a
is
small
also, yes,
This is boucle.
yes, one of the fabrics is boucle.
Okay.
And this has been coated with a nano coating. Now, nano coating does not just belong to a couch or a carpet. It belongs to also the stone, the floors, the curtains, even the glass surfaces. So if you've noticed, none of my surfaces get my fingerprints. None of them have dust collected on them, even though I, you know how it is कि high dusting करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. This is of course one of my favorite features, this beautiful bar. I love the detailing of this. Now this is prone to alcohol getting spilled.
Oh,
Do you see any glass stain?
No.
At all.
nothing.
So this party bar has been used like 100 times already. So this has seen 2 Diwali parties already, you know. So design is one thing, but if it's not going to be functional and if it's not going to look neat and clean and easy to maintain, it's rubbish. So there's not really too much balancing to do. You start with it. You start with the premise of it being functional and comfortable. Try this couch. Come. This is
So
beautiful. Yeah.
Do a small comfort test. I cannot miss this mirror ceiling.
Thank you so much. So this was done so that we could, create an illusion of a double height space.
Yeah.
Now this apartment is huge. So normally when you do standalone homes, you would always see a double height foyer or something. Now since it was a single level, I thought, itna bada ghar hai, ek double height illusion to banta hai. So then we did this. And both Shikha and Sumit are extremely fond of hosting at home. So, this creates a great mood. Everything is dim at night, just these 2 beautiful baccarat chandeliers and the ceiling and reflection and conversation and food and nothing else. I
also love this fact of layering the table, right?
You know what this is really? So this
What
is
material is this?
also stone,
Stone.
and this has been coated with a food grade material.
All right.
Of course, spill free, wine free, alcohol vinegar free. But I like to use these tables as mega cheese boards. So during parties, we literally put food on top of them, cold cuts and cheese and, fruit.
Directly on this?
Directly on them, because these are essentially large trays. They just happen to be coffee tables as well. So this is what we do. And of course, I love this.
This is all same, all
Yes,
stone, right?
Yes.
So table with the matching, what do you call this, platter?
This is just a platter, of course, and this is fixed, but thoda sa bahar nikal rakha hai. The nosing is different from the rest. So, there's subtle detailing that has gone into it, which I've really enjoyed, from the design board to executing it. I think one of my favorite spaces, yeah. और कुछ दिखाओ?
चलिए.
Oh, by the way, जब party chalti hai na, so of course it spills over onto the outdoor spaces as well, and this is of course very important. So we made sure the language of the furniture, both in the family lounge as well as in the drawing room, gets carried forward into our outdoor furniture as well.
Wow. And I love the view. This is the Camellia's
you.
iconic balcony,
Thank
as
you.
we all have seen it
Yes.
very much in the YouTube videos. And yeah, you're right. It looks very seamless from
It's the
drawing
same thing.
to
It's
the
same-
balcony.
Yes.
It doesn't feel like a
They've-
separate section.
Yeah, they've just been treated to, perform under the harsh sun or the rainy weather, the storm, the dust and all of that. So now these surfaces are, again, dust-free, anti-skid. Your glasses won't spill, your platters won't slide off the tables. And I'm going to show you why we did this inlay in the balcony. But even my small little bar counter outside, so for parties, we have a small bartender, taking care of our drinks here. So the internal bar is glossy.
Yeah.
And the outdoor, of course, is all season over here, but made matte. Of course, when you use it yourself, also you can enjoy this beautiful view. Look at that.
Absolutely. You cannot miss this amazing golf view at the Camellias. Monica, we are in the balcony, but still there is so much symmetry when it comes to colors. Like these colors are running in the whole house.
Yes.
So why you've chosen only few colors?
See, we're not in a material library, right? This is one home, belongs to one family, belongs to one personality. talking about one material. Now you see the doors. They're the same as the paneling.
Yeah.
And you see the skirting of tobacco stone at the bottom and all walls. It's actually continued into the doors. This is a door. Look, this invisibility
Wow.
factor. And voila, you're in one of my favorite spaces. This is
nice.
an expansive, beautiful powder bathroom. Do you remember the chandelier?
Yes, that the first thing that we saw when we entered the
And
house.
when I promised you that you'll be able to appreciate it from all four sides.
Yes, we could see it from the family room, from the drawing room, from the powder bathroom also.
So if I were to have a drink and I want to use the restroom, I'll just rest my drink here. I'll just appreciate all of this, check myself out, maybe wash my hands. But when I want to use the loo part, which is of course concealed and not this thing, you will wonder, oh my god, privacy ka kya karna hai? Ye kaise designer hai? You know, glamour ke chakkar mein hum kaise, you know, how will we use the bathroom in front of everybody? So this is a trick here. When I, you know, turn the knob for privacy, the glass becomes opaque. Requirements.
People use wood in the bathroom. So,
Yeah.
But obviously, after some time, you get issues with the wood, and that's why I can't see any wood furniture here.
Barring the, you know, of course,
Yeah.
the doors.
So, is it a good idea to have wood furniture in the bathroom?
As long as it is made in a polyester coating, yes. So anything which needs to get, you know, in touch with moisture,
Yeah.
it better be able to tolerate it, right? So what better than stone?
Stone,
So this becomes seamless, endless, and then metal and mirror. So there's hardly anything. And this is stone too. And by the way, if you've noticed, this is glossy.
Yeah.
But now on the walls, it's the same material, but just given a little leather finish. I love my leather finish on the stone. And of course, these doors are beautiful.
And low maintenance.
Absolutely. Kavita, talking about less materials now, there's one more reason. In fact, besides material, there's also, you know, design elements, let's say, which need to be restrained. Like I said, if you notice, this is a glass door.
Yeah.
That's a stone skirting, but it's continuing on the veneer paneling also and on the regular walls as well.
Walls also, yes.
Now, it's all about continuity, not just of material, but of design elements. Look at this floor. You see the arches here?
Yeah.
A miniature of that is literally gone into making the decorative door handle.
Oh, yes. So symmetry you're talking about.
Exactly.
Symmetry everywhere.
So when we say less is more, it doesn't really, you know, mean khali sterile ghar. Less is more also extends to less material, less elements, but how we make them, you know, repeat themselves without getting boring.
True.
So,
And now
I'm gonna now take you into the main bedroom.
the master bedroom.
Yes. So the people who paid for it stay here. So this is the master suite, so to say. And like promised, voila, you get to see my chandelier from the fourth side. Now I promised 4 sides, right, Kavita?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now you'll wonder, ki fir se privacy, hey Bhagwan, sare glasses hai. Monica has not taken care of functionality and privacy. This is most comfortable. You sit on it, and so is that chair. Beautiful. So of course, like I said, when you want to lock that, you click that button and this will just become opaque. So this is just for party readiness. So jab party chal rahi hai and you're entertaining outside, I want people to see my beautiful bed linen and nicely made up beds. By the way, we make all of this. So our drawings go into all the detailing of kya silai hone hai, kya embroidery hone hai.
So even the bed linen and all
Everything.
is done at your factory.
Now this is where, of course, Shikha and Sumit would spend a lot of their home time. And this is my master bathroom for you.
Beautiful. Were there any key asks from the homeowners, and how did you translate them into the design language?
You know, one basic thing they really said was, khilona nahi hona chahiye ghar. This is not a show apartment. This is an everyday home for an everyday family. And 3 generations. So there's Dadi and there's Sumit and Shikha. Then, there are kids, Tahira and Zuhair. So it's very, it needs to feel comfortable when you're living. तुम्हारा जूता जितना मर्जी अच्छा हो, designer हो, you'll never wear it if it pinches you.
Yeah.
You'll always take out your most comfortable pair of shoes and wear them often. So the house can't be uncomfortable.
Right. And Monica, I have to ask you, give me one design trick that the viewers can probably follow or implement in their washrooms. How can you make them look luxurious? Like this looks like a hotel spa to me.
And that, wellness living is a thing.
Yeah.
So when you make homes, you have to make sure you get maximum windows in your bathrooms.
Okay.
So, of course, mechanical ventilation with air conditioning and all your heating and, air purification is important. But you also should have physical ventilation, natural light, and natural airing of the bathroom. Let me take you to the son and the daughter's room. Now, they're very young kids. And of course, this has been done based on their personality and their age.
Monica, tell me how to design a kid's room that grows with a child.
Very important. That's such a lovely question, लोगों को लगता है कि बच्चे बड़े होंगे ही नहीं.
हाँ.
But your homes have to be future ready. So while your kids might be young when you start thinking of making home, but as they go along and every ghar 20-25 saal tak to you have to use it. So you have to make it in such a way that you can maybe change things on your own without a professional's help. So if you see, everything is again an extension of the same personality in the house, same doors.
Yeah.
Just because it's a kid's room, we haven't changed the doors or the wardrobes or the walls.
Sometimes it happens, घर की identity अलग है, and as soon as you enter the kids' room, there's a big Minnie Mouse or a Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, you have to again keep yourself restrained. Give them lots of light, give them a reading corner, give them a reading light, make it spacious. Even if it's a single kid, give them a bigger bed so that, guests come. Kids can crash in each other's room, or kids have sleepovers.
Yeah.
तो कैसे बच्चे enjoy करेंगे अपने friends को लेके आना घर में. And then let it grow with them. So बिना professional help के आप क्या-क्या चीजें change कर सकते हो? You can change your art, you can change your bed linen, you can change your flowers. That should evolve.
Okay.
But fixed interiors should not feel कि oh my god ये kiddish रह गया. So now if I decorate it with age-appropriate decor with his books or his cosmetics or something, and as he grows, this can change.
Yeah.
But the bookcase stays intact,
I like this trick. Like the solid thing remains the same, but
Literally.
keep changing
Yes.
the things to decorate
Yes.
it.
Yes. And बच्चों को भी बड़ा मजा आता है. अब जैसे wardrobes है, अब उसको प्यार से निहारना. Look how he's, so fond of his shoes, and look how beautifully clean his closet is. So
I think kids also learn this discipline of, putting the things right where they belong.
Totally.
Yeah.
When my kids were young, सब मुझसे कहते थे, आपका घर इतना decorated, आपके बच्चे तो फेंक देंगे इतनी जल्दी. But when it becomes a habit for the kids, उनको ये decor खिलौने नहीं लगते, because it's just there. It becomes their natural habitat. So don't be scared to style your homes or decorate them, or
Now you're saying don't be scared to style your homes, but when it comes to styling, it requires a lot of investment. How does one decide where to splurge and where to save?
First of all, investment is about your thinking and time. पहले time invest कर दो, सोचने में invest कर दो. Buy good things, buy less things, ताकि संभालना भी आसान हो. And like I said, let the things grow with you. Changing the books will happen naturally. Changing the art, very easy. just change the towels again. You're either in summertime or in winter time. So I like to play with, dark colors of towels, let's say during the winters.
Here also.
Absolutely. And blending in. But we change these to whites and pastels and lighter blues or other things when it's summertime. So it's just very simple. कविता आओ तुम्हें एक बहुत सुंदर सी चीज दिखाती हूँ. This is a petite puja room, and Shikha and Sumit like to sit inside, close the door, and do their puja. So we gave them such a beautiful big Pichwai art, all the idols nicely. Again, a little suspended storage. That stone wall with the Hanuman Chalisa is one of the favorites. And you can sit on this choki, nange pav, you can relax on the carpet and really enjoy your puja. Of course, guests hain, so you can keep it a little concealed. And there you go. So the miniature door handles of the main door come on all of the glass.
So this becomes like a signature element of the house. Tell me 2 tips one should keep in mind before buying a statement piece.
Buy what you love. Don't follow trends. Don't listen to a third person. If you feel that you will naturally love this every day, buy it like an investment, even if it costs you nothing. So don't buy things क्योंकि ये सस्ता मिल रहा था, ये या किसी influencer ने कहा या designer ने बोला है. कविता तुम मुझसे पूछ रही थी कि घर सिर पे क्यों नहीं चढ़ रहा. तो इधर छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स होती हैं जो मिस आउट कर जाते लोग. तुम देख रहे हो ये हैंडल?
Yes.
देख रहे हो कितना स्लिम है? That color, the size and scale, it's the same which is on the metal transition between the stone and the wood. अब ये subconsciously, it's not disturbing your eye. ऊपर नीचे नहीं जा रही आँख.
हाँ.
Small scale.
Symmetry दे रहा है घर में.
This is Dadi's room. I promised to show you this. I love this art.
We are at the camellias, and when again we talk about camellias, the first word that comes to my mind is luxury. Give me 2 or 3 tips or ideas our viewers can follow or implement in a way if they want to add a touch of premium or chic character to their house.
So, sense of space is very important. I walked you through that corridor, which when we opened those corner glass doors, it just ceased to be a corridor. It became an entry lounge. So your space plan is key. It's king. Size and proportion of furniture. It should make you feel comfortable. You should be able to, put your feet up and not worry about spoiling your surfaces. You should be able to enjoy the key highlights of your plot or your property or your location. Here, of course, the golf course being one. As long as you can design according to the context, it's lovely. For example, तुम्हारे खुद के घर में, let's say, 11 लोग हैं. But your formal drawing room can't have just 11-12 लोगों की sitting. Where will the guests sit? So it's all about context. It's all personal. It's all about the family, their lifestyle. If you can understand that, you've created something pleasurable for the owners. Stick to that.
And tell me, what materials work best when it comes to beauty and durability together?
Yeah, like I said, Coco sits on all the furniture. This entire furniture is friendly to his pee, to his susu. So if he were to pee on this sofa or the, the silicone inside or the mattress material, this will not absorb his pee.
Okay.
You can literally take a wet cloth and wipe it out, and basically it's not gone inside the fabric or inside the textures. So user ko dekho, user does not mean just the owner. User means even your pets. So how they are going to behave in your house is what you're going to do. When the caterers come, they're not going to be so friendly with your bar counters or your table. They will spill the hot wax of the candles or, your Bain Marys. They will spill alcohol or vinegar. So let your furniture be robust enough to, like marry your lifestyle.
I also noticed you have put a lot of coffee beans बहुत जगह घर में छोटे छोटे. So
I'll tell you the
इसका क्या
secret.
secret है? Yes.
Sachi bata दूं. Real secret.
Yes.
Okay, in your home, a lot of people come
Yeah.
and they wear a lot of different perfume. So it kind of balances out different fragrances.
All right.
So it keeps your ghar ki fragrance very neutral.
Oh.
So I have migraine. So मेरे को strong smells चढ़ जाती है. So this is a very subtle trick to, kind of keep different fragrances from mixing. You're cooking. Now that beautiful sliding door leads me into the butler's pantry.
Yeah.
Regular घर में खाना बनेगा.
हाँ, फिर वो प्याज लहसुन की स्मेल आएगी.
This is what kills it.
Right. And thank you so much, Monica. It was lovely taking the house tour with you with so many tips. I'm sure our viewers will incorporate
I'm
those
sure. I hope you did.
and give a makeover to their homes.
Oh yeah. At least makeover के लिए inspired तो हो. That's
Yeah.
the first starting step. So if you want to live in a clutter-free, clean home, I hope this inspired you.
And thank you, viewers, for watching this show. And I'm sure you also enjoyed watching this episode as much as we did. And stay tuned for more home tour videos. Thank you.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you. Such a pleasure to have you. Thank you.